Good morning, children. I am Rakesh Ratn. Today, I am going to talk about the remaining part of lesson 10, that is establishment of company rule in India. In the previous class, when we had begun to talk about this lesson, we had talked about the intention behind the establishment of rule of the East India Company in India. And in that sequence, we had talked about the different policies adopted by the East India Company to establish its rule over India. And in that series, we had talked about the policy of divide and rule. Today, we are going to talk about the another policy adopted by the East India Company to establish its rule. And this point is war. War is an important policy adopted by the East India Company to establish and extend its rule over India. The East India Company and the British fought many wars to establish and consolidate their rule over India. In that series, first of all, we are going to talk about the Carnatic Wars. The British and the French fought three wars for the control of the trading ports of India. These wars are called Carnatic Wars. The Indian princes also cooperated the British or French in this war. Let us come and talk about the first Carnatic War. The first Carnatic War was the result of Austrian War of Succession. England and France entered opposite sides of this war. The French proposed peace with the British, and Comrade Barnett, who was the British naval officer, returned to England. But Dupleix didn't keep his promise and attacked Madras and occupied it. The Nawab declared war against the French. Let us come and talk about the result of the first Carnatic War. The first point is the Nawab of Carnatic was defeated. The second one is the power of French also become weak in India because of the war. And the third one is that France was forced to sign a treaty and handed over Madras back to England. Let us come and talk about the second Carnatic War. It was fought between the French and British between 1749 and 1754. The British and the French fought against each other by supporting and getting the support in the for the succession of Carnatic. Let us come and talk about the result. The French gained monopoly of trade over South India, and the English plotted with Nasir Jung and defeated the French army. Let us come and talk about the Third Carnatic War. It was fought between the French and the British between 1756 to 1763. As far as the result is concerned, the French were defeated. Pondicherry was given back to the French. Dupleix was called back to France, and the dream of France to establish an empire in India ended. Now let us come and see that how did the East India Company establish its control over Bengal. Over the question of Bengal, the British or the East India Company fought two wars. The first one was the Battle of Plassey and the second one was Battle of Buxar. Let us come and talk about the Battle of Plassey. It was fought between the East India Company and Sirajuddaula, who was the Nawab of Bengal in 1757. Mir Jafar was wanting to become the Nawab of Bengal, so he bribed the Indian soldiers to throw away their weapons, and because of this, it became easy for the British to win the battle. Let us come and talk about the outcome or result. The first outcome is that the British made their position strong in Bengal. Mir Jafar was made the Nawab of Bengal by the British, who had supported the British, and the next one is that he gave a big amount of money and 24 parganas of Bengal to the British. So this was the outcome of the Battle of Plassey. In the next class, we shall talk about the Battle of Buxar and other wars fought by the British to establish their rule in India. Thank you. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.